All right, we're gonna do some roof cleaning here. Get some algae and a little grime off for shingles. So I got a solution ready to go here. The one I'm using today is, I got 2 gallons of hot water in there. I got 1 cup of Trisodium Phosphate, measured out 1 cup there, and then we're gonna throw in about half a gallon of bleach into the white bucket there, and then take it up, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna lightly scrub it and then see how it comes out. I'm just gonna stir it up in there and let it mix up. And then we should be good to go. Just got a couple bristle brushes here. I don't want to go nuts on the shingles. I want them to last, so I just want to go easy on them. As you can see here, we just have a spot where the sun doesn't really get to, so it gets a little grimy. But the rest of the roof looks fine, so I just wanted to clean that up. So I'm going to go ahead and dump some of that on and let it sit, as I mentioned, and see how well it works out. I can already see this working as I dump on. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump a little more on. Wow. So that's been sitting for probably 10 minutes, but I'm just going to lightly, massage it in there. And I'm just going to do that, working my way down. But it is pulling up some of it, not compromising the shingle. So this is what I really want to work on over here, get that off. But it might take another application. I'll just be happy if I can kind of dim this down a little so it doesn't look as noticeable. So we'll see how it goes. So that sat for about 10 minutes, and then I just went through and went over this lightly, kind of scrubbing up all this. I'm not pushing very hard, I'm just going very lightly. And then I have over here, I have a hose ready that I'm going to pick up and spray all this as well. So we'll clean it up and let it dry and see how it comes out. As you can see, it really took up that grime. Looks a lot better than before. I could probably hit it again. Just dump a little more on, hit it lightly, but that was 1 coat right there, so I really can't complain there. That really did a number on it. So I hope that helps. And I am by no means an expert in roofing or cleaning solutions, but this is what someone told me to do, so I tried it out myself. And I have to say, I'm kind of impressed with the results. I mean, it did not cost much, so I really cannot complain. So I hope that helps if you're trying to fix some issue yourself like this.